everyone! I'm Fidele. I'm 9 years old and I'm from 4B. Today, I want to show you guys a magic trick. This magic trick is called the magic tube trick. Now, here are the tools we need. So, 2 pieces of card with the same color, sticky tape, scissors, and last but not least, some ribbons. Now, of how we make it. Okay, now take a piece of card and roll it to a tube shape. Now, stick it down with sticky tape. Okay, now take another piece of cord and roll it to a cone shape. Okay, now cut the ends of the tube. No, not the tube, sorry, it's the cone. Put the ribbons inside of the tube. There, you can't even notice that it's not there. That is there. Abracadabra. Ta-da! You guys can make it your own at home too. Bye!